guys, so today we're making bhajia, and this is the dal which we use. We soaked the dal whole night, and then in the morning we just blended it, and I show you. This is the dal which we grinded earlier. Put half spoon of heather, chilies, blended green chilies, 2 teaspoons, spinach. We'll add methi as well.
It's done now.
And then we'll blend these onions in there. After the onion is blended, we'll add it in the mixture.
It's done after 5.
And then you mix all the ingredients together. Yeah, and then let it. Okay, so the masala is all in, and we'll let it rest for a while. Then we'll fry it. So guys, we're putting salt. We didn't put salt earlier. We're putting now. Put the salt at the time when you're cooking. Yeah, so if you put before salt, it will leave water behind. So yeah, remember, always put salt after. So you take a little bit in your hand and do it like this, and then put in the oil and let it fry. You do same with the other ones. It's frying. You can see. So guys, then tap slowly at the bottom and take them out. And you can see they're frying till they become golden brown. That's when they'll be done. So yeah, I'll show you once they're done. So guys, you can see the bhajiyas are ready. And yeah, if you like today's video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you guys. Bye.